So today's breakfast is a breakfast shake. It's for those of you who like less sugar, less carbs, or gluten-free. I'm not a low-carb person, but I love this recipe and this protein shake because it keeps me full for many hours. It has much less sugar or practically no sugar compared to those diet shakes, and it tastes good. So I use it whenever I'm tired of bread, which I was this morning. So hope you enjoy! I have frozen spinach and blueberries, which I let sit for 15 minutes to defrost, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon or 2 of spirulina, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. And then I have 1 portion of protein powder. This is a vegan one, but you can choose whatever you want. And then around 6 nuts, hazelnuts, walnuts, whatever. This time I use hazelnuts. And I use almond milk, 200 milliliters or 2 deciliters of almond milk. I use the sugar-free version. This recipe is from a Swedish health journalist and researcher named Maria Borelius. And then I blend it all together in a blender. Here it is blended up. It looks black from all the blueberries and spinach. And I put some ice in to keep it extra cold. Ready to go! On this channel you will tag along with me on all things Norwegian. Hope to see you soon. Bye!